ahabejigani 10 abashitamire bigezo bya senior ya Mukaga ahishomero rya Biguru Secondary School abeji bashatu batunjira ububoneri 19 babiro bakora ububoneri 18 bashatu bihayo ububoneri 17
Ngenda kusima Headmaster wifu Mwami Katumire Elias hamwe n'abeji ba Biguru Secondary School abo kubasa kupeza positive environment kugira umuntu abasa gushoma ibitabo bye kugira ikeje.
Nilipitia vizuri mitihani yangu kwamba nilipata alama 19 na hata nafurahi na mshukuru Mwenyezi Mungu. Nataka kuashuru
Biguru Secondary School tukakozesa abana igani 10 abasitamire bigezo ebyo abana igani 10 abana igana nomwe 101 candidates bakabaza ko 2 principal passes and better.
Abashatagwize bigezo nibagira ngo tagabire mana gabo kureka gabire mana gishomero abazire hamwe na government.
Benyine combination ya mathematics, economics and entrepreneurship stroke ICT. Mathematics tunje MD, NTB, economics E, and 2 principal na 2 subsidiaries.
Who has been offering mathematics, economics, Kiswahili, stroke ICT, and I have managed to achieve and get 15 points.
Abashomesa bitu abariyaha amatendekerago bayegiremo nabanda bariyahandi ngo bayegiremo so tine kuzibera omushomesa ariyaha Biguru Secondary School kushomesa omwana akashika
kuna 17 points nini mbaza no kusima Ruhanga 3 points.
Omugandi bwanyuma y'ebigezo bya senior ya Mukaga kushohora abeja hishomero rya Cyabenda Secondary School bajagwiza obusinguzi bwabo. Ebe n'ebindi bibiro muri town council ya Kahunge omuri district ya Kamwenge.
Shemerero munonga singa nkukuna nkusinga bigezo bijaje munonga kale pressure mbere nyine nyingi urugane nyuma
Binyine combination rel literature and RR na managing akora 14 points. All that is by the grace of God.
Abeje kinana na Mukaga bashitamire bigezo bya senior ya Mukaga umwaka guhwire kandi oyebembire atunjira uboneri 19 kandi wa hamuheru yatungo ubonero bona
astamisa abana kinana na Mukaga korebe namba yirirayo kujya abana kinana na Mukaga aho kubanza 19 kandi no wa hamuheru ndabona atunga certificate abo kwayija mu result 5
amakuru agagasha kwa Anthony Twine.